like Dumbledore, okay?
You say every two at the first time, and then what?
Okay.
I don't want to do Snape.
You're doing do the snake right.
Snape for the snake. Snape.
Would you like to like I'm gonna have like bloopers, and it's gonna be it.
Snape.
Like, Dumbledore.
Snape!
No, we're starting it over.